Hello! I will now talk about digital equalization in LAUMAS multi-channel devices. Here we have a TLM8 connected to 6 load cells. In this video I assume that the theoretical calibration has already been done, so we will see a rough weight value on the display. There is a dedicated video about calibration. Because of the differences among the load cell sensitivities, in normal analog system you get a different weight while moving a sample weight around on the platform. Let's see it. If I put the weight here, I get 6.21. If I put it here, I get 6.38. And if I put it here, I get 6.44. In traditional analog system, if you want to solve this problem, you have to use a junction box with trimmers, and you often have to do more than one trip around the platform, which can be very expensive and painful in case of a system with big capacities like wave bridges. With LAUMAS digital equalization, the equalization is a calculation done by the microcontroller, and you always have to do only one trip around the platform. But let's now see a practical example. Here we have a quite extreme case, because we mixed up load cells with different capacities. 4 10 kg load cells and 2 20 kg load cells. This is not at all recommended, but you will see that the system is able to cope even with this situation. For this kind of equalization, use a sample weight at least half of the load cell capacity. In this case, I will use 5 kg. Okay, go to the menu item Equal inside Calib, press Enter. You see EQREA, which stands for real equalization. That's what we want to do. That is an equalization with a sample mass. So press Enter. You see equal 0, which is the system 0. Unload the scale, wait for stability and push Enter. You now see equal 1. Place the mass on whichever load cell you want. Wait for stability and press Enter. Now you see equal 2. Move the mass to the next load cell. Wait for stability and press Enter, and so on. It says valid, so the equalization was successful. Now the weight value is the same all around the platform. Let's check it. Let's go back to the weight. Okay, if I put the weight here, I see 3.23. If I put the weight there, I see 3.23. and if I put the weight there, I see 3.23. So the weight value is the same all around the platform, with only one equalization trip around it. Please note that we see 3.23 and not 5 because we have not done yet a real weight calibration.